Pod Point uniquely offered a seamless operation. The whole package, the buy-in, delivery, installation, the app, the control of the scheduled charging, all in one place. Excellent. I worked for a Japanese multinational for 30 years. My job title was managing director, so I did a bit of everything. My background was nearly all numbers, which is why I was very interested in doing all the numbers on electric cars. So why Pod Point? Everything you do with them, you seem to be speaking to somebody who knows what they're talking about, which often with customer service, you don't. You get script responses. Didn't get script responses. I got people who knew what they were doing. The whole aura of the company is one of engineering and technical excellence. So I got confidence in the technology.
They've been absolutely brilliant. It was just extremely efficient and it seems to have worked really well.
The other thing is they both supplied and installed as a one-stop shop. But I thought, that's probably too expensive. That's an expensive way of doing it. So I thought, I'll buy it myself and then get a local electrician to fit it for me. And try as I might, and I did try, I couldn't undercut them. Then I thought, well, why not use the people who make the gear? They will know how it works. I mean, the fact that things are on apps, on phones, is perhaps a little more difficult for our generation. But the Pod Point app, actually it's quite intuitive when you press all the right buttons. It does what you need. Everything just happens. You go to bed and in the morning, you're off and running.